So this right here is this is a matrix abdominal crunch. This is in the middle of being reassembled as part of our remanufacturing process. The way we approach any strength machine is going to be pretty similar for our remanufacturing process. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test the machine. Most strength equipment, when we get it in, it works. Not always perfectly smooth. There are a few parts that are replaced standard on every strength machine that we sell. First off, we're going to replace every bearing. For example, there's a bearing here. There's a bearing right here, this link rod bearing. There's bearings in here at this pivot point, and there's also bearings right here. Bad bearings generally will cause excess movement, excess noise on the machine, so those are replaced. Also on the strength machine, we also replaced the cable right here, so it'll get a new cable. Right now, as you can see, the pads are off. They're currently being reupholstered. So every single pad will have new upholstery. This right here is rubber. We're gonna fully inspect it, make sure it looks new. If it's not, we're gonna replace it. If it looks new, we leave it alone. Same with the bolts. If they're missing or they don't look new, we're gonna replace them. If everything looks good, we'll leave them alone with those bolts. And then over here, we have a lot of different weight stack stickers here, which are gonna be replaced when we do the weight stacks. Anything that is wrong, what our techs are gonna do is we're gonna make a list of parts needed, place an order request form, and get those parts going. While those parts are in motion getting ordered, we're gonna then disassemble it. We're gonna literally take every single component off this machine. So the machine will be down to bare metal. Then we're gonna go to our paint booth. We're gonna sand and repaint all the plastics and all the metal, and by the time it's done, it'll be complete like new. And most of our remanufactured machines we sell for around half the price of brand new, with a 1-year warranty standard with extended warranty options for up to 5 years. That's potentially longer than a new warranty at a much better price. We also ship and install machines nationwide. And then our goal is when you get it, you're not gonna notice the difference between a remanufactured machine and a new machine.